Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing. That one's ripped a little. They do give you a return label. That way if you don't want anything, you just put it back in the same bag, put this on here. You're only charged for what you keep. So we'll see what I have here. Looks like they sent me 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. All right, let's dig in. This looks fun, whatever this is. Ooh, is it sleeveless? This is by Sheila Rose, who makes all my favorite clothing. Has a little cutout there in the front. And then down the sides, it's laced up. That's really cute. You would have to make it pretty tight if you don't want your skin to show through there, but that's a cool top. Like that a lot. I'll try to put pictures at the end as well too, along with how much the price for each thing is. These are capris and they are stretchy. They do have pockets, which I love. Some nice little dress pants. And they are cuffed too. Those are pretty cute. They look comfy. I think this might be the dress because it looks like a lot of fabric. That's another brand I get a lot of. This is cute. Little light ruffles on the sleeve. And I like that this looks a little bit longer than a lot of the dresses they do send. It looks real flowy and I love the color, so that's really cool. I should have another top, bottom, and necklace in here. I was hoping I would get some shorts because it's hot outside now, but, well, technically I guess I got a pair of capris, but those are cute. I like the detail on there. Let's see. Those two are stretchy. Yeah, those are really cute. And there's pockets on the back. Very nice. Giovanni. I think that's the brand of the jeggings that I normally get. There's the necklace. I knew it would be in here somewhere. This month it is silver. And when you fill out a profile with them, you can tell them like what color jewelry you prefer, what patterns you hate if there's any. The necklaces normally don't come this dotted up, so I'm gonna have to take a moment to detangle that so I could show it to you. But here's the last one, another Sheila Rose. This is just a plain navy blue shirt. It looks kind of flowy and it kind of tapers off the side. It's a little bit longer on the sides. It's pretty cute. So let me untangle this. I'll be back to show you what it looks like. That took entirely too long for me to untangle. It was really, really bad. But the necklace is cute. So the smaller one has like these diamond-like stones on the inside. And then the other one is plain and it nestles in there, and the chain is very long and it is adjustable too in case you want to make it even longer. So now I will insert the pictures, and if you'd like to order anything or get a subscription from Nadine West, I will put the details in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.